we're going to Dell'Osso Farms. I'm going with my high school friends. What's more fall than going to a pumpkin patch? I'm waiting for my ride, Michelle. Oh, but let's do an OOTD. I'm wearing this white cardigan because it's gotten cooler now. I'm wearing this brown dress from PacSun, like to your knee. I like the browns for fall, and I wanted to take some cute pics for the gram. Yep. Start all the fun.
That was so awkward.
This is our anthem. By the way, meet our Uber driver. Hi. This is the nicest Uber driver I've ever met. Right, Kritika?
That's right.
And Kritika.
Hi guys.
Michelle, this is your first time on my vlog.
That's true. Hello everybody. Subscribe to Mish T.
What? Mish T.
I changed that.
I was like, where did this come from?
Straight.
We were about to go to River Island.
Let's go to River Island.
What's even here?
I have
Probably
no
a
idea.
river, maybe an island.
Yay.
Did you guys print out your tickets? Because I did.
I did.
No.
I hope there's data.
Dang, look at that line
Like-
from the other side from the freeway. Yay.
We go to work. You gotta
We
look
just parked at this grass area because all the parking was full over there. So we're gonna walk over there. And there's a long line. It's still over there, getting off the freeway. So going through that side road was a great choice. We have arrived at the Corn Maze Cafe. To update you guys, we met up Nelly and Martin at the, what was that, the Apple Hill? Apple Cider
Hill.
There was pizza and drinks there. Did you guys enjoy your drinks?
I loved it.
I gave the pizza 1 out of 5 though.
I give the cider 10 out of 10.
Of course, yes. The pizza was good, like it was warm, but it was expensive.
It's like that elementary school pizza.
It was $14 per whole pizza.
Oh,
SMH.
I can make better pizza.
Yeah. So now we're gonna get food. More food. I got chicken tenders and fries. What did you get, Kritika?
I got grilled cheese and garlic fries.
Nice. For our vegetarian today.
Right here.
I like the fries. They're warm.
They're good. Actually, like a little bit crispy.
Oh, I was about to eat and I didn't even take my mask off.
Okay, let's try this. It's good.
Look who came late.
Yeah.
And look at her fit.
No.
Who is this?
It was supposed to be a bummy look.
I love your outfit.
Thank you.
What is your hat?
It's a beret.
What does it say, you dum-dum? I know what a beret is.
Oh, it says Black Swan. It's a BTS inspired.
Oh, do you like that movie? That ballet movie? Black Swan? Cute. Look at that goat up there. Work.
That's a good crying.
I wish I could ride a horse. We are here in the corn maze.
Hello.
Will we be able to get out?
No.
I believe because of Nelly.
This video
Our
is just,
valedictorian.
found in the woods
Oh
somewhere.
my god.
No.
3 years later. Actually, the fact that you're vlogging is very Blair Witch right now.
Oof.
Why you gotta scare us like that, Michelle?
We're up on like this bridge platform. Look at this view.
literally at a tower in the middle.
We got some pictures on that bridge platform. Now we are going to continue with our leader, Nelly, and also Martin. Look at this corn popping out. How cool. Yes, we made it. Thanks to our leader, Nelly. Thank you, Nelly.
You're welcome. I was sweating there for a minute.
Now we are sitting here on these tables. We gotta take a break from our workout. We got lost for a second. Yeah, we did. But we made it. It's great lighting right now. Don't laugh. Next, we gotta take our pics at the pumpkin patch.
Yeah. And then I think we're going to the haunted house.
And I'm nervous.
Can you vlog inside it?
I saw a YouTube video, someone vlogged it.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I'll just do it on my phone so it's more low key.
Are you gonna vlog?
Maybe on my phone.
Oh yeah.
So they're not like.
Look at her taking photos like it's her job. Do you know how to zoom in?
I think from here. Or, oh, actually,
No, I don't want to
It's
mess
here, it's
I don't
here.
want to mess anything up. Pratika, what do you really think about Caitlin's vlogs?
I guess we have to be in them because we're her friends. No, I'm totally joking. I love her vlog.
The truth comes out! Nelly, what do you think of Caitlin's vlogs?
I like her vlogs, except I get really big FOMO. I'm like, oh, she didn't invite me to
So
that.
she invited you to this one?
Just joking. I like her. I like it.
Martin, a newcomer to the vlog series.
Hey, how's it going? We're here at the Dell'Osso farm. We're enjoying ourselves, walking through the corn maze,
Yeah.
and hopefully eventually go to the haunted house and get a few drinks.
What do you have to say about Caitlin?
She's cool.
Do you approve of her vlogs?
It's
What's
fun,
your true feeling?
But like, if I didn't, would that stop her?
Oh, the truth comes out. Where is
She
she?
probably shouldn't take up too much
Yeah.
space.
How do you turn it off?
Martin in his true form. That smile. I'm dead. What will Michelle choose?
I'll take your picture.
A ballerina.
You one more person.
Precious. And Nelly.
Nellie's going in.
Oh, we should.
Our wicked witch.
Can't even see them.
That's cute. We just got done with the pumpkin patch. Woo! We got some nice pictures with Leslie's phone.
Samsung 20.
It's really nice. I should get that phone. Now we're going to the haunted house. Are you scared? No. I am. I am a little. There's the mini golf and that line. It's for the train, right?
Yeah, the train ride.
Yeah. And that line is quite long. Here's the mini golf.
Takes you all around the farm.
There's the train. That's what it looks like. What? Dude, that low-key looks fun. But I feel like it's for kids, huh?
Probably, but then I'm wearing a dress, so I can't do it.
We're gonna go into the haunted house. Leslie, you need to hold my hand. This is the walkway in. Oh my god, that music!
Not this way, dummy. Oh, man.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. I don't know about this.
I couldn't even see.
I know. At least we're with a lot of people.
Yeah.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
I don't do clowns. I don't do
Oh hell no.
That's the only thing I don't do.
I don't hear any screaming, so I think we'll be okay.
No, you ain't knocking, bro.
That was it? Wow, that wasn't scary.
It was fine, but in the beginning I couldn't see anything.
Oh yeah, it was dark.
Yeah.
Michelle?
I liked it. It was fun.
It was nice. Good detail,
Holding
nice
on to your-
graphics. I feel like I could faint.
My thoughts on the haunted house, it was not scary. There wasn't really like people jumping out at you. It was more so just like displays. Kind of disappointed.
They didn't really like send in groups. It was more so like a whole line walking through.
Very true. It's like you couldn't really get the experience because you were just walking in a line.
Yes. But it's good for kids.
It was, except for there were some kids that were scared and had to come back out.
She was crying.
What was your favorite part?
I would say the pumpkin patch. I had fun taking photos for everybody.
Nelly, what was your favorite part of today?
I think my favorite part today was probably the alcohol.
That kills me.
I love the hard cider flight.
I gotta try that. Martin?
He said haunted house.
My favorite part was the part where we were all eating on like hay bales. It was very aesthetic and also very filling.
Kritika?
My favorite part was probably the haunted house.
Wow.
It was short and sweet.
What's your favorite part, Kaylee?
Getting to see my friends.
Marvin.
I'm also excited for dessert.
Yeah, me too.
Cute. I love this energy. Get this. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Got some stuff from the bakery. It was like a 15-20 minute wait. What did you get, Kritika?
Got pink lemonade.
Is it like strawberry? Or
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's good. It's huge.
Is there only one size?
Yeah, it's only one size.
I see. I got pumpkin pie. Maybe I'll eat some, share with my
That looks
family.
good.
I also got the cider.
Nice.
Nelly kept talking about the alcoholic cider, so I wanted to try. Plus,
Wait, that's alcoholic?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Plus, you know, maybe it's freshly made.
Yeah.
And lastly,
Oh, you got 3 things.
I did treat yourself.
that-
Caramel apple. Did you have fun, Kritika?
I did. I'm enjoying my lemonade now. It was a
Yeah.
long day, but it was fun.
I feel like if you're a kid, this place would be super fun for you. But this place is great. Get into the fall vibes and also for pictures. What are you eating?
I'm eating a cider donut.
Review?
It tastes like a donut mixed with a churro.
Is
Is that good?
I forgot to say, when we walked in, you know, the lady was like, enjoy your time in there. I said, you too. Oh.